Alright guys, so Paul Bates here, and today I want to do a little series here on the Loop Princess. This week we took you on a boat tour, but now I literally want to take you to each compartment and show you the kind of work that we had to do to get this 40-year-old trawler ready for the Great American Loop. It was a lot of work, it really was. It cost a lot of money, and you know, it's the pros and cons of buying a new boat or a newer boat versus buying one of these older boats and then getting it up to your standards. I mean, I've gotten it up to my standards basically. So we're going to start off today with the V-berth. I'm going to keep these videos as short as I can, and you'll understand why, because it would be an hour-long video if I sat here and went through each one of these. So anyway, here we go. Alright guys, so today I'm going to talk about the V-berth here, and you can see at one time we had dreams of this being a livable V-berth where somebody could visit, but it's just not going to happen. The Loop Princess is just too small for that to happen. So, with that being said, I'm going to start with what we had to do from the beginning. So I had to rip out all the old plywood in here because it had a bad design. There was no drain for the water to come out once the anchor was pulled in, so it just rotted all the plywood out. So then I went back and put 3/4 inch marine plywood after I grinded out all of the old stuff and all the old fiberglass from behind there, and then I added a drain, and you can see right here in the next picture where the drain came in, and I added it, and then I 5200 all the way around there, and then fiberglassed all of that stuff back into place. Just a thin layer of fiberglass and resin just to kind of seal it all up really good before I put the epoxy sealer back on it. You can kind of see right here I'm testing the door and the frame before I close it up here, but now I've got all the epoxy in there, and I even put epoxy on the drain and everything like that. It was a lot of work. This was labor intensive, but I was able to recycle all the materials from doing the bottom job and the outside job, and then I just painted the outside, and you can see it. We put 200 feet of brand new chain in there on top of dry deck. So you can see that's pretty much the finished product on the, and that was, like I said, that took about 2 weeks. Then I painted the storage compartment underneath there. You can see the drain hose going down there, and then I added a few little cubby holes there where I can store some of my stuff that I want to store up there inside that V-berth compartment right there. Then we put dry deck everywhere. I put it on inside the anchor locker, inside both storages on both sides, in the little closet inside there. That's the closet right there. I put the dry deck inside there. That way if you set anything in there, you don't have to worry about the moisture in there. So you can see the freezer sitting right here, and then I put a charging station in here, and that has 4 USBs and a 12 volt. It's completely run off of the Life Pro 4 battery, independent from the battery system of the boat. So that was a pretty cool project. Like I said, this room didn't cost a lot of money, and you can see right here where we store the wash machine, and it's just, you know, it made a good storage unit for us.
Beverly and Daisy from the Loop Princess.
Thank you so much for watching. Here's to salt under your keel and safe voyages. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button.
Thank you.